Hello, this is Johnny Bad, 661 John FK page again. Looks like we got some Canadian wildfire smoke and haze over Queens here, like over my shoulder here. Looking out over the Long Island Railroad tracks and their Amtrak extension construction over here. And they've had a few planes flying into JFK to the wildfire smoke. That's about it. And I think you might want to readjust your advisories or air quality alerts to extend them out into the Long Island area, because I think that smoke is just working just a little further into the island. Just saying. Well, this is Johnny B. Bad, 661. Give you another video blog here, some wildfire smoke. You can see through the dirt on the windows. The apartment building hasn't cleaned them in a while. Since I moved in here in 2022. See, as you can see, look, you see the airplane coming in? You can see through the dirty fucking windows. Anyway, have a good one.